How do I know if I have chances under Express Entry? So first of all, Express Entry is a point-based. Every single 2 weeks approximately, you get Canada selects a number of applicants. Who does Canada select? The people who have the highest points. How do you get points? You get points based on your age, based on your level of education, based on your language skills, as well as how many years of experience you have from back home. First of all, if you don't have your English or your French test, I will not be able to know exactly your points for your language. And language counts a lot under Express Entry. Number two, you have to have your credential assessed by an organization that is called WES, W-E-S. So you go on the website, you have to send them your transcripts plus your diplomas. They will assess it and they're gonna come back to you with a document saying that the master degree that you have from back home equals a master degree from Canada. So until you have these two key documents, meaning your education assessed as well as your language test results, there is no 100% answer on what your chances are. However, on a consultation with the client, I go through approximate. If I speak with them in English and I see that they have perfect English, I already know that they're going to score high in the English or French language test. If they have a master degree or a bachelor degree or a diploma, I already know what WES will assess them. So these two documents are key for you and I to know exactly what your points will be under Express Entry.